Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications from our channel. Subscription is completely free.
So what's up guys, this is Nihal, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can boost your volume in a browser. So let's get started in this video. All you have to do is just go into the Chrome and what thing you use to hear. Like I use Netflix and YouTube obviously in my PC, so obviously the voice is not so clear. I mean, I can't like boost my voice so much. Like you can see it's 100% over here, and over here it's full. So let's see how the volume goes. Okay, that's fine. So that's good because I'm here listening on a headset. But if you're on a speaker, like I have my laptop and that speaker sucks. I really tried it out. So I can show you a simple thing you can do is like go to extensions, type Chrome extensions, and go to your this chrome.google.web series. Just open this one and it will open your extension page right here. Just type volume booster. Yeah, there we go. So there are many ones, but this one you just need to add this one. I've already added this, you can see over there. I can show you. I can just remove it, and you have to just add on Chrome and add extension. Just click on these two buttons over here and this is done. You can see it now over here. So you can see it shows 100% on default, which is your default voice. You can hear again. So once you see this volume, now compare it to this when you increase this. Okay, wait, check this out. So I guess you got this, you got the video. This little extension is too powerful and it helps me a lot to watch movies on Netflix. So as you can see on Netflix, if I go in here, so this is okay, some new series, Typewriter. So you can see the default volume is 100, but you can increase. You can increase and get so much out of it. So that's pretty it. I hope you like the video. If you do, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon too. So this was Nihal, but I'm signing off this video. See you in the next one.